Hello, my beautiful friends. It's time to answer some questions. It's Gabe here from drumbeatsonline.com, and holy smokes, we are here in the last video of this 6-part series, the beginner's, nope, that's not what it's called, the drummer's guide to getting unstuck. And before we go into this big intro, I just wanted to say thank you for those of you who have stuck with me through this free workshop. I've had a blast with it, and it seems like you all have taken away some really amazing things from it as well, which makes me so happy. I know it's a little bit different, but thank you again for watching all these videos. Through this series, the early bird waitlist for DBO Academy has grown way bigger than I was expecting, and there are actually way more drummers in there at the moment that I can actually accept into DBO Academy. And with that, there have been a ton of questions wanting to know more about DBO Academy, how to get in, what the benefits are, how it can help you. And I figured I would just do a Q&A video to answer your questions. So that is what we are going to do, but first, let's roll the intro. So throughout this series, we have learned some really important things. One, that the way that most drummers are learning, the more method, is actually causing them to fall into drumming ruts, which is essentially like writer's block for drummers, where no matter how much you practice or what you do, you just don't feel like you're getting any better, and you're getting really frustrated with your practice time, with your drumming, and ultimately with yourself. So we talked about the best way to get constant progress on the kit while avoiding the drumming ruts is by getting on the DBO Drumming Path. We took a little test to see which one of the 5 stages you fit into, and I gave you the full blueprint to show you how easy it is to get constant progress when you have a path to follow. This is how I've transformed my drumming from playing in my mom's basement to playing in front of tens of thousands of people and being nominated for 2 Grammys. And more importantly than that, it is transforming so many of my students playing in the best way possible. So with that being said, the easiest way to go step by step through the DBO Drumming Path is by joining my online drum school, DBO Academy, which opens in just a few days. DBO Academy is not just a bunch of abstract theory or just a bunch of lessons where you're just there to fend for yourself. It's basically like being here in my studio with me and having me show you step by step how you can consistently improve your drumming to achieve your goals. And like I said, I'm only going to be accepting a small number of people. So if you're not already, join the early bird waitlist right up here to get access a day before the public so that you can secure your spot, because spots could actually sell out in the first 24 hours alone. So with that said, let me answer some of these questions that I've been getting about DBO Academy. And number one is, a lot of you want to know, is DBO Academy beginner friendly? And the answer is absolutely yes. So when you join DBO Academy, you will actually take a placement quiz that will assess exactly where you are in your drumming path. If you are just picking up sticks for the very first time, there are some incredible courses for you. My favorite one is the Become a Drummer in 30 Days course. And this will take you from knowing absolutely nothing about the drums to learning how to hold your sticks properly, learning how to set up your kit, learning some of the best foundational beats and fills. And by the end of this course, you'll be drumming along to your very first song. Outside of that, there's courses like Intro to Technique, which are gonna make sure that you are actually playing your drums in the most efficient way possible. There's Intro to Sheet Music to help you learn how to navigate, how to read music to learn beats even better. There's the 20 Beginner Fills course, and there are plenty more for beginner drummers. Seriously, it is perfect if you are a beginner, but we also have plenty of courses for the intermediate and advanced players as well. So really, it's for all difficulties. Another question is, can I go at my own pace? And the answer is absolutely. If you only have a limited time period to practice your drums from week to week, that's totally okay. You can go as fast or as slow as you want to. Now, there are some really amazing challenges within DBO Academy to help you achieve some amazing results in just 30 days time, like the hand speed challenge, the foot speed challenge, the Become a Drummer in 30 Days challenge, the Master Drummer challenge, but you can take these at your own pace and a little bit slower if you want to. But if you are really eager to get results and you want to go fast, you can absolutely do that as well. One question is, does it include exclusive concert videos? The answer is yeah. Actually, there are exclusive bonuses in DBO drum shows where I take you behind the scenes of a bunch of my shows, behind the scenes of how I built multiple things in the studio. There are also exclusive interviews as well as live drum hangouts where I teach live lessons with you and do live Q&A. So that's a really fun section of DBO Academy as well. One question is, do I need to be from the United States to join? And the answer is absolutely not. We have students from all over the world, which makes for a really, really fun, unique, and dynamic learning experience to be able to connect with people from all over the world. It's super cool. Someone asked, what's my favorite thing about DBO Academy? And I think my favorite thing is that it's an experience. It's more than just learning drums and achieving your goals, which it is, and I love that. But I love being able to connect with my students and being able to see them make progress. It's so amazing. The community is fantastic. And that leads into another question of why are we only accepting limited spots? And that's because I want to give everyone the attention that they deserve to be able to help them with their problems. If I just open the floodgates, it becomes pretty overwhelming, and then not all the students get to be guided as much. So this allows me to help my students every single step of the way to get a little bit more of a personal experience. You know, but the weird thing is no one's actually asking how much DBO Academy costs. Oh wait, everyone is asking that. So first with that, let me answer why it would cost money in the first place. Some people want to know that. Well, the reason is because a majority of the money that I spend is back into DBO Academy. Every single month, I am making more and more improvements into the development and the features of the website itself, as well as releasing new lessons and courses every single week. And that's also I can provide you the most value so you can get the best results possible. To get access to the entire year, it's about the equivalent of taking 2 in-person drum lessons as opposed to the hundreds of lessons that you would take on DBO Academy. And if you wanted to even break it down month to month, there will be a cheap option for that as well. Altogether, I think it would probably end up being around 50 cents a day. Okay, so I hope that answers a few of your questions. If you have any more, you can always head to drumbeatsonline.com and there is a ton more information of DBO Academy there. But like I said, doors are opening in just a few days and there will be very limited spots. So join the early bird waitlist right up here. You will get access before anyone else, and it is the best way to secure your spot to join DBO Academy and start making consistent progress without the drumming ruts. Thank you so much for joining me in the 6-part series. It has been a ton of fun. I cannot wait to see you inside DBO Academy when it opens soon. Thank you again, stay true, and I'll see you soon. Bye.